linear race. What is the difference between a linear race and a circular race? What is the difference between a linear race and a circular race? Think logically. Think logically, two people are there. One is point A. Let the speed of A is 20 meter per second. Let the speed of B is 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second. There is a linear track. There is a linear track. They both are starting at this point, A and B. SA and SB both are moving in the same direction. There is a linear track. There is no coming back. The track is like this. Now, after 1 second, A will travel 20 meters. After 1 second, B will travel 50 meters. B will travel 50 meters. That means after 1 second, B has taken a lead of 30 meters over A. B has taken a lead of 30 meters over A. Diagram. So, B is 30 meters ahead of A. After 2 seconds, this is after 1 second. After 2 seconds, B is at a lead of 60 seconds over A. That means after 1 second, B has got a lead of 20 meters over A. 2 seconds it is 60 seconds, like that. B will keep moving forward, 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 forward. A can never meet B. A can never meet B. Why? Because speed of B is greater than A. A can never meet B. B will go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. So, A will never meet B. This is linear races. Now, the same thing, circular races. That means where you started, that is forming a closed loop. See, in this case, SA it is 20 meter per second. SB it is 50 meter per second. SB it is 50 meter per second. That means after 1 second, B is at a lead of 30 meters for A. Are you all with me? After 2 seconds, B is at a lead of 60 meters over A. Are you all with me? Right? After 3 seconds, B is at a lead of 90 meters from A. That means he will go. Because it is a closed loop, he is coming back. There is a chance where A and B will be met. There is a chance where A and B will be meeting. Are you all with me? I hope you understood the difference between linear race and a circular race. Point number 1. In a linear race, if the speed of a person is greater than the speed of the other person, the greater speed person will go ahead, and he will go very far from A, right, as the time progresses. But in the case of circular race, B will go ahead and come back. While coming back, maybe A is still in the first round. B has completed the first round and will meet A again in the second round. I am sure you might have seen these marathon long running races of closed loop. First person will go slowly. Second person might have taken a turn and has overtaken A. Are you all with me? This is the basic difference between linear race and a circular races. Linear race and a circular races. Now see here, in circular tracks or circular races, the following concepts are very, very important. One by one we will discuss. Case 1. A comma B are moving in the same direction. Case 1. A comma B must be moving in the same direction. A comma B must be moving in the same direction. This is the first point. Second point is, A and B started at the same time. Listen carefully, sir. A and B, two people are there. A and B started at the same time. A and B are moving in the same direction. A and B started at the same time. Now listen carefully. There are 3 kinds of questions that will be asked in this case 1. What are that 3 kinds of questions? What are the three kinds of questions? Now see here, the first question is time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. This is the first question. Three kinds of questions will be asked in these circular tracks. Second thing, number of distinct meeting points. At how many meeting points A and B will keep on meeting? Number of distinct meeting points, second key point. Third kind of question that will be asked, time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again at the starting point on the track. Time taken to meet again at the starting point of the track. Time taken to meet again at the starting point on the track. Starting point on the track. These are the three questions which we will discuss. What are the questions? What are the inputs that are given? There are two people. They are two people and they are two people are starting at the same time. Let these be the starting point. There are two people. SA it is 20 meter per second. SB it is 50 meter per second. SA it is 20 meter per second. SB it is 50 meter per second. Length of the track is 300 meters. Length of the track is 300 meters. What are the three questions? Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Second one, number of distinct meeting points on the track. These are the three kinds of questions that you will see it in examinations. 1, 2 and 3, one by one, logically, conceptually, with a good understanding by using diagrams, we will solve these problem. Now see here. Listen very carefully. Write first one. Now, this is the circular track and the length of the track is given as 300 meters. Question 1. Question 1. Now see here, what are the speeds? Speeds are 20 meter per second. Speed of A is 20 meter per second. Speed of B is 50 meter per second. Speed of A is 20 meter per second. Speed of B is 50 meter per second. After 1 second, A travels how much? 20 meters. B travels how much? 50 meters. After 1 second, B takes 30 meters lead over A. B takes 30 meters lead over A. Are you all with me? B takes 30 meters lead over A. But what is the, suppose if B is meeting A, total round he has to complete. Total round, what is the length of the track? 300 meters. For 30 meters, it is 1 second. To cover entire 300 meters, that means 10 seconds is required. That means 10 seconds is required. I will show it in diagram how 10 seconds will be the answer. That means the length of the track is 300 meters. Speed of A is 20 meter per second. Speed of B is 50 meter per second. After 1 second, B travels 50 meters. A travels 20 meters. That means after 1 second, B takes 30 meters lead over A. 30 meters lead over A. But I want 300. 30 tens are 300. 1 tens are 10. That means after 10 seconds, the B will meet A. How it is? Let us do it through a diagram. Listen carefully, sir. Right, question 1. Right, now see here. Listen carefully. What is the length of the circular track? Length of the circular track is 300 meters. Length of the circular track is 300 meters. Speed of A is 20 meter per second. Speed of B is 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second. Now listen carefully. After how much time they will meet? After 10 seconds they will meet. 10 seconds is the meeting time for the first time. Let us see it in diagram. Meeting time for the first time. That means, or in other words, for every 10 seconds, they will keep on meeting for the first time. Now see here, after 10 seconds, what will happen? A will travel 20 meter per second. 1 second, 20 meters. 10 seconds, 200. Let me divide this track into three equal parts. This is 100 meters. This is 100 meters. This is again 100 meters. This again 100 meters. This is again 100 meters. These again 100 meters. Now listen carefully. Right after 10 seconds, what will happen? Listen, see here, sir. After 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, A will travel 20 meter per second. 1 second, 20 meters. 10 seconds is 200. 100, 100. A is here. Are you all with me? A is here. After 10 seconds, B will travel 1 second, 50 meters. 10 seconds, 500. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. That means A and B are meeting here for the first time on the track. Can I say that 10 seconds will be the answer? Yes. Why 10 seconds will be the answer? After 10 seconds, A will travel 200 meters. He has still not completed one round. B will travel 500 meters. So, A is still on the way. B has completed one round and met A. B has completed one round and met A. So, 10 seconds is the meeting time for the first time on the track. Now see here. Now see here how we can do other problems. For every 10 seconds, A and B will meet. Again after 10 seconds. 10 seconds means A will travel how much? 200. So 100, 100. A is here. B will travel how much? After 10 seconds, 500. 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. That means A and B are meeting again for the second time on the track. Again after 10 seconds, A and B will meet. 1 second, 20 meters. 10 seconds, 200. 100, 100. A is here. B will be traveling 500 meters. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. A and B are meeting right for the third time on the track. Fourth time will be again after 10 seconds. 1 second, 20 meters. 10 seconds, 200. 100, 100. A is here. B will be 1 second, 50. 10 seconds will be 500. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So here they will be meeting. Are you all with me? I hope the idea it is clear. That means how many times they are meeting on the track? 3 times they are meeting on the track. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points on this circular track. Number of distinct meeting points on this circular track. How much it will be? Please listen. Right, number of distinct meeting points on the circular track. Listen carefully, sir. It will be 3 because in the question we got it as 3. Am I right? So instead of finding out how many, there is a beautiful way to do it. Take these ratio. S1 is 20, S2 is 50. S1 is 20, S2 is 50. 20 is to 50, which is 2 is to 5. Make the ratio in its simplest form. Make the ratio in its simplest form. Make the ratio in its simplest form. Because they both are moving in the same direction. Because they both are moving in the same direction. They both are moving in the same direction. Number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points is given by the value S2 minus S1 or S1 minus S2, depending upon greater minus smaller. So 2:5, 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Number of distinct meeting points on the circular track is given by the notation S2 minus S1 or S1 minus S2. Greater should be, right, smaller should be subtracted from greater. Number of distinct meeting points, this is the concept. Please box it. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Now, question number 3. I hope these two points are clear. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Starting point. See here, sir. Concept see here. Suppose 6 is there. 6 and 9, two numbers are there. If I say one person is traveling at 6 kilometers per hour, another person is traveling at 9 kilometers per hour, what is the point? At what speed they both will be equal? They both will be equal. 6 multiples are 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 6 fours are, and so on. 9 ones are, 9 twos are, 9 threes are, 9 fours are, and so on. That means they both will meet at a point LCM of 6 comma 9. They both will meet at a point LCM of 6 comma 9. LCM of 6 comma 9 is 18. LCM of 6 comma 9 is 18. I hope the concept is clear. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Circular track is given. Speed of A is given. 20 meter per second. Speed of B is given, which is 50 meter per second. Length of the track is given 300 meters. Length of the track is given, which is 300 meters. Speed is equivalent to distance by time. Time is equivalent to distance by speed. Time is equivalent to distance by speed. Now see here. What is the time taken for A to come back to the starting point? TA. What is the time taken by B to come back to the starting point? TB. When TA and TB, when 6 and 9 will meet at their LCM? When TA and TB will meet at their LCM? So, LCM of TA comma TB. LCM of TA comma TB. Time is given by D by SA comma D by SB. D by SA comma D by SB. What is D? D is the distance or the length of the track, which is LCM of 300 by 20 comma 300 by 50. LCM of fractions is, right, LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. HCF of 20, 50, it is 10. That means they will meet again at the starting point on the track after 30 seconds. After 30, that is the same thing which we got here. If you see here, after 10 seconds, A will travel 200, B will travel 500. 10 seconds, the meeting point is here. Again after 10 seconds, B meeting point is here. Again after 10 seconds, starting point. 10 plus 10 plus 10. How much answer we got? 30 seconds. I hope this idea it is clear. Time taken to meet again at the starting point is given by LCM of TA comma TB. LCM of TA comma TB. Underline this one. Underline this one. Time taken to meet again at the starting point on the track will be LCM of TA comma TB. 3 points are there. 3 kinds of questions will be asked. This will be time taken to meet again. Time is distance by relative speed D by S1 minus S2. This is the concept. Number of distinct points on the track, it will be SA minus SB, smaller needs to be subtracted from larger. time taken to meet again at the starting point, L by SA comma L by SB. L by SA comma L by SB LCM. This is the concept for third question. This is the concept for second question. This is the concept for first question. Is the idea clear? I hope these three concepts are very much clear to you. Case 1, I hope the idea it is clear. Case 1. Now see here, one example we will do. Example, SA equivalent to 60 meter per second. SB is equivalent to 240 meter per second. 240 meter per second. SA 60 meter per second and 240 meter per second. Length of the track is 1440 meters. Length of the track is 1440 meters. Let us solve these three questions as a practice question. Let us solve these three questions as a practice questions. First one, time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. For the first time on the track, it is given by after 1 second, A will travel 60 meters, B will travel 240 meters. B has taken a lead of 180 meters over A, but I need a lead of after 1 second. B has taken a lead of 180 meters, but I want a lead of 1440 meters. Answer will be 1440 by 180. 18 8s are. That means they will meet after 8 seconds. They will meet after 8 seconds. First question it is clear. Second question, number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. How much it will be? Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. What will be the idea? Take the ratios. S1 is to S2. 60 is to 240. It is 1 is to 4. That means number of distinct meeting points is smaller should be subtracted from larger. 4 minus 1, it is 3. Concept clear? Third one, time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. This will be L by SA, L by SB, LCM. L by SA, L by SB, LCM. So this will be LCM of 1440 by 60, 1440 by 240. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. This is 24 by 1. This is 24 by 6, 6. 24 by 4. That means it is LCM of 6 comma 24 by 1. 6 comma 20. LCM of 6 and 24, it is 24. They will meet again at the starting point on the track in how many seconds? 24 seconds. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you, right? Once you understand this idea, you can extend the idea to a clocks also. See the concept related to clock. Clock is in the form of a circular shape. Clock is in the form of a circular shape. Right? Circular shape. Total there are 12 hours in a clock. And if you see any clock, there will be 60 divisions. 12 hours, 60 divisions. 1 hour, it is 5 divisions. 1 hour, it is 5 divisions. 12 hours, 60 divisions. 1 hour, it is 5 divisions. Now listen carefully. Speed is equivalent to distance by time. Speed is equivalent to distance by time. Listen carefully, sir. Speed is equivalent to distance by time. Speed of our hand In 1 hour, it will travel 5 minutes. Total divisions it has to travel is 60. 5 minutes by 60 divisions. Speed is our distance by time. Right, in total 60 divisions. From here to, this is the starting point. From here totally 60 divisions are there. If you see your watch, for every 1 hour, it will travel 5 divisions. 5 divisions. I hope it is clear. Now what we'll do is, we will write like this. We will write like this so that it will be clear. Speed of our hand, h is our hand. In 1 hour 60 minutes will be there. In 1 hour it will travel 5 divisions. In 1 hour it will travel 5 divisions. 5 divisions by 60 minutes. It is 1 by 12 division per minute. It is 1 by 12 division per minute. Speed of our hand, 1 hour it is 60 minutes, and in every 1 hour our hand will move 5 divisions. Speed of minute hand, total 60 minutes. If you look at the minute hand, every 1 minute it will travel 1 division. 60 divisions per 60 minutes. It is 1 division per minute. It is 1 divisions per minute. I hope the idea it is clear. Totally there are 12 hours in a clock. 12 hours is 60 divisions. 1 hour it is 5 division. Speed equivalent to distance by time. In 1 hour there are total 60 minutes. 1 hour 5 divisions. Speed of our hand is 1 by 12 division per minute. Speed of minute hand is, right, 1 division per minute. Our hand and minute's hand are moving in the same direction. Our hand and minute's hand are moving in the same direction. Number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. It is given by, already we discussed, if two speeds are moving in the right direction, we have to simplify the ratio. It is 1 by 12 is to 1. It is 1 is to 12. Both are moving in the same direction. So 12 minus 1, it is total 11 times. That is the reason, right? Very, very important point. In a clock related problems, in 12 hours, both the hour hand and minute's hand will meet 11 times. 11 times hour hand and minute's hand will meet. 11 times hour hand and minute's hand will meet. In 12 hours, both the hour hand and minute's hand will meet. Total how many times? 11 times. But if it is 24 hours, 12 twos are 24, 11 twos are 22. 24 twos are 48, 22 twos are 44, 22 twos are 44. That means in 12 hours, both the hour hand and a minute's hand will meet 11 times. In 12 hours, both the hour hand and a minute's hand will meet 11 times. 24 hours, they will meet 22 times. 48 hours, they will meet 44 times. Very, very important concepts. Very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. I hope this question it is clear. If two bodies are moving in the same direction, if two bodies are moving in the same direction, number of distinct meeting points on the track will be S1 minus S2 or S2 minus S1, depending upon which is larger, which is smaller. I hope this concept it is clear. Then case 2. Case 2. Till now we have taken a case where both the bodies are moving in the same direction. Case 2. Case 2. We are taking a circular track. We are taking a circular track. Length of the track is 700 meters. Length of the track is 700 meters. There are two people. One is A, another is B. Speed of A is 20 meter per second. Speed of B is 50 meter per second. Speed of A is 20 meter per second. Speed of B is 50 meter per second. Now here, two people are moving in the opposite direction. Two people are moving in the opposite direction. Two people are moving in the opposite direction. Two people are moving in the opposite direction, not in the same direction. They are moving in the opposite direction. Previous case we took when they are moving in the same direction. Now we will take when they are moving in the opposite direction. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. Same three questions we will solve. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again. For the first time. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. For the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Listen carefully, sir. We did the same case when they are moving in the same direction. Now when they are moving in the opposite direction. Listen carefully, sir. Opposite direction. After 1 second, A will travel 20 meters here. B will travel 50 meters here. So after 1 second, both of them has traveled 70 meters. After 1 second, both of them has traveled 70 meters. See here, both are coming in opposite direction. Wherever they meet, he will cover x. He will cover 700 minus x. Total distance has to be 700. If he travels this much, he travels entire this much. Total it will be, right, 700 only. So total distance they need to travel to meet is 700 meters. That means again they are meeting after 10 seconds. Again they are meeting after 10 seconds. I hope the idea it is clear. Sir, why you took 700 meters? If he travels this, he is meeting this. Total he will cover. If it is y, this will be 700 minus y. It will be 700 minus y. After 10 seconds they will meet. After 10 seconds they will meet. This is the circular track. This is the circular track. That means after 10 seconds, I will divide the track into 7 equal parts. These 100 meters. This is also 100 meters. 200. This is 100 meters. 300. This is 100 meters. 400. This is 100 meters. 500. This is 100 meters. And this is 100 meters. And this is 100 meters. 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Now, if you see here, A and B are at the starting point. Listen carefully, sir. Once you understand, it is easy. A will travel 20 meter per second. 1 second, 20 meters. So, it is total how much? 10 seconds. 200, 100, 100. 100, 100. A is here. B will travel 10 seconds. 1 second 50, 10 seconds 500, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. A and B are meeting here for the first time. Are you all with me? Right? Second time. After every 10 seconds they will meet. Or from A's point of view, 200 meters they will meet. 100, 100. A is here. B will be, right? I hope it is clear. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. That means A and B will meet here. Are you all with me? Or from A's point of view, for every 200 meters they will meet. 100, 100. A and B will meet third time here. 100, 100. A and B will meet fourth time here. A and B will meet fifth time here. A and B will meet sixth time here. A and B will meet seventh time here. This is the eighth time. This is the first time. This is the second time. This is the third time. This is the fourth time. This is the fifth time. This is the sixth time. This is the seventh time. This is the eighth time. This is the 9th time. So this will be 1 plus 7k form. Are you all with me? This will be 2 plus 7k. All the values will meet here. This is 3 plus 7k form. This will be 4 plus 7k form. This will be 5 plus 7k form. This will be 6 plus 7k form. This will be 7k form. Are you all with me? So total, I hope the concept is very much clear to you. Number of distinct meeting points on the track is 7. Now second question. Second one, I hope the idea it is clear, right? In circular tracks, the more you draw it, the better the clarity will be. Second, I hope, first one, I hope it is clear. So second point will be number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points on the circular track. Number of distinct meeting points on the circular track. Number of distinct meeting points on circular track. In the same direction what we got? S1 minus S2. Because two bodies are moving in the opposite direction. If it is moving like this, these moving like this. Opposite direction. Number of distinct meeting points is given by S1 plus S2. If it is same direction, S1 minus S2. So here it is 20 is to 50. 20 is to 50. So here it will be 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5. Opposite direction. 2 plus 5, it is 7. Number of distinct meeting points on the circular track, it is 7. The same thing we got here. 7 meeting points we got. I hope the idea it is clear. Number of distinct meeting points on the circular track. Third one, time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Again they need to meet at the starting point. How much it will be? Right, starting point, again it will be the LCM of the value. Time we require. Time I need to take the LCM of TA comma TB. LCM of TA comma TB. So T is equivalent to LCM of D by SA comma D by SB. D it is, how much it is given? Right, 700. LCM of 700 by 20 comma 700 by 50. So this will be 700 divided by LCM of fractions is LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. It is 10. It is 70 seconds. That is exactly which we got in this diagram also. 70 seconds. Seventh time they are meeting. Every time they are taking 10 seconds. 7 into 10 is 70. Time taken to meet again at the starting point is always LCM of TA comma TB, irrespective of the direction they will travel, whether it is same direction or whether it is opposite direction. I hope the idea it is clear. One more example. SA it is 30 meter per second. SB it is 50 meter per second. Length of the track is 1600 meters. 1600 meters. SA and SB both started at the same time. Both started at the same time. If they both started at the same time, question 1, how much it will be? After 1 seconds, both are moving in the opposite direction. Both are moving in the opposite direction. A will travel 30, B will travel 50. Total 80, but I require 1600. That means after 20 seconds, A and B will meet. After 20 seconds, A and B will meet. Question number 2, for the first time. SA is to SB, both are moving in the opposite direction. 3 plus 5, it is 8. Question number 3, right, they are moving in the opposite direction. L by SB plus SA. This is question number 3. T is equivalent to, see here, T is equivalent to LCM of SA comma SB. So LCM of question 3, 1600 by 30 by 1600 by 50. So it is 1600 by 30, 50 it is. That means after 160 seconds, they will meet again at the starting point on the track. Same direction, 3 questions we discussed. Opposite direction, 3 questions we discussed. I hope the conceptual clarity related to 2 speeds are very much clear to you. In our next class, we will take 3 people, all the 3 moving in same direction, 2 moving in same, 1 moving in opposite, all the concepts we will take the class. I hope you understood the fundamental class of circular tracks in detail. Thanks a lot, Anil Nair.